little man. Why are you
Sorry, I'm sorry. Your fish is just—it's so.
It's a
just
toothbrush. It's not I'm not a fish.
Dude, I'm trying to kill it seriously.
What's wrong with this wheezing banana?